pangarap, may apoy sa dibdib. You decide and believe kahit mahirap ang paligid. Now look at you, standing tall, shining bright. This moment is yours, you earned this fight. Hindi madali ang dinaanan, ngunit hindi ka
Luther Campo Redondo. This goes Award for Ortigas Brand for remarkable achievements, consistent excellence, inspiring leadership. Your passion and dedication have significantly contributed to the growth of the company. Thank you very much, Mr. Makoy.
From small wins to big dreams.
Hopefully, one bag of Gano coffee together with no problem. Thank you very much.
Tagumpay mo, may taong umaasang sasama. Hindi lang kita ang naabot, kundi buhay ang nabago. That's the real success, legacy ang panalo. Congratulations, you're the most outstanding. Your journey tells a story worth understanding. Sa day na harm, you didn't just chase the crown.
Congratulations!
Good morning! Yan, pauwi na kami. And maraming salamat sa Panginoon Diyos at tinulungan niya kami nanalo. Ako second prize.